Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters. How are you all today? And I hope you are all doing great and excellent. And Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And today, I'm going to share with you all of my favorite sports. So, without wasting our time, let's jump into the video with our main topic. So today I want to talk about my favorite sports. As a Bangladeshi people, I must love cricket, and after cricket I love football. But the interesting thing is that cricket or football are not our national game. But we love, the maximum people of Bangladesh are love football or cricket. So this is the interesting thing. So my question is, why this choice? And in my opinion, football is the best game than cricket. But in Bangladesh, cricket is the more famous than football. But at this moment, situation changing now, right? For unperformance of bad performance of Bangladeshi cricket player, at this moment the situation are changing. People start to like football than Bangladeshi than cricket. So in my opinion, if I say the cricket or football are not for us, for Bangladesh, because they don't know how to play, how to win, how to achieve a trophy. So, in my opinion, if stop the cricket or football game in this country, it will be better for all of us, because many people waste their time for watching this type of unnecessary game. Once upon a time, I waste many time to watching this type of game. So it is it was, but at this moment I don't like to watch any game like cricket or football or any other game. But sometimes I play cricket, sometimes I play football, because it's good for good health. It's good for my body, it's good for my health. So that's why sometimes I play football or cricket. In this world are so many type of game, but in Bangladesh more famous one is football, and second is cricket. On another game in Bangladesh, like on another game Bangladeshi people like, the game is racket game, badminton game. So sometime the weather of winter I play sometime badminton, and it's a amazing game in my opinion. So we do not need to watching game, because it's waste our time. So we have to avoid this type of unnecessary thing. But sometimes we can play for our good health and for our refreshing our mind. We can play it sometimes for refreshing our mind. So I want to finish this video for today, and I do not want to make it more longer. And thank you so much for watching me and listening to me. I hope may Allah give us success in our journey, inshaAllah. So do not waste your time with watching this type of unnecessary thing. Just focus on yourself and try to improve and do something good. See you in the next video with another topic, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.